I'm gonna take you around my favorite places here in this beautiful city. This right here is probably my favorite place in St. Pete. They have these chairs for you to sit and just look at the ocean. This is probably the best place if you want to escape the cold wherever you're living. New city with no friends and I'm by myself. I look up on Yelp to see where to go. Let's look up cafe. Then it's gonna show where we are. This one looks good actually. So we might go here to get an iced coffee. Walking 15 minutes walk, not bad. Thank you.
No problem. Do you want any sweetener?
No, thank you. I got a blueberry muffin with chai latte with almond milk. I shouldn't have got it warm up. It's hot enough. Let's try this chai latte again after I dump in like 2 pounds of sugar. And then I kind of like to look up boba places or any bobas near here. Might be too far from where we are to walk. I could probably sit there all day, but we must move on. Let's go out to the pier. I wish it was a little bit cooler right now. It's kind of hot. We have 2 hours to spend before we're going to the museum. I'm gonna take this trolley back later. This is the pier we walk into right now. I actually don't know where this is gonna take us, but we're gonna find out. So the tram would take you from the beginning of the pier all the way to the end. Beautiful tree in the middle of downtown. So very interesting fact, Formula One actually come here every March to race, and I think they race that street right there. So the pier was just over there. And now we are actually in downtown. Beautiful marina. The city is really nice. It's kind of remind me of Malibu without the craziness. It's very peaceful and calm here. The whole city feels like a resort. The airport is just over there. That's where we're gonna be taking off tomorrow. And the museum is right there. So that is the Dali Museum. Very pretty. Behind me is the Dali Museum. What a beautiful building. We are inside the Dali Museum. Even if you're not a Dali fan, it's worth a visit. Very pretty and interesting exhibition. We are in the garden right now. It's very peaceful and quiet out here. This is a beautiful building. So nice. It's definitely worth the visit. This is Sarasota Beach. The water right now is wonderful. I think it's around 77 degrees in the middle of October. It's probably one of the cleanest beaches I've been to in Florida. Look at that sunset. That is just gorgeous back there. Gonna go and get some food because I'm hungry again. One last look at that sunset. Beautiful. Clean off my feet for that 5 minutes of little photo shoot. I feel like I'm shopping like a homeless person again. I'm just getting some snack for the next 2 days at the hotel because sometimes I just don't want to go out. We are leaving St. Petersburg today. It's been a wonderful visit. Flying back home. And there's this really cool airplane right next to me. It's like a helicopter airplane. Thank you for watching. Until next time.